Hey man, what's up? It's your boy Novi Dan.
And it's your boy Red from Ohio, man.
Yes, sir. Today, today we're gonna be bugging the fuck out of people. So I'm gonna go out to somebody, open this shit up.
We're finna do the surrounding chomp. You gotta eat loud. This the eating loud prank in the library. We finna just annoy the freak out of people, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Hit 'em with a
Hey, what's your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
Marco House.
What's your YouTube?
Red from Ohio,
What's
man.
your YouTube?
Kid solid.
Yes, sir. AJ Toots.
Smooth.
You feel me? So without further ado, let's dive into this. You go football? What's up? Hey, how are you? Good, how about you? What's your name? My name is Dave. Nice to meet you. Hey, bro, where from you? Hey, Mark, what's up?
Read my book.
What you got?
It's called Good Behavior. About a kid that goes to prison for a year and his story.
Did he get out for good behavior?
Yeah, he got out and he changed his life. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
What about my shirt, man?
What's
My
this
shit
shit,
fun?
man?
Yeah.
No,
It's something basic, man.
Well,
No,
yeah,
he's
it's something
ugly. It's
basic,
not
but
as good as mine.
that's mentality.
You got mentality, you got to do it.
Vans, man.
Yes,
I try to
sir.
do it.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about my
Oh.
Forgot it. Let me see. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
What you doing?
Surfing.
Facebook?
Yeah.
You got a lot of friends on there?
Few. You?
I got like I don't really be on there, but I got like a good 200.
200?
Yeah.
I can't really look at my favorite website. Can't really look at my favorite website in here.
It do be like
frown on that.
It ain't for long.
They probably block it.
I can get it unblocked. Please? Okay.
It's quiet. Nice to meet you. Too. I was You want some?
No, thank you.
Tell me they're good.
I know they are.
They're good just because you just have some.
Just had a chocolate shake.
This is better than chocolate chip.
What?
Yeah.
What? No, I'm telling him right now that I gotta get my trailer. Okay. Okay, love you too. Bye. Hello.
So how's your day?
Slow.
Slow.
Yes.
You need to speed it up. You need to keep on.
Right.
You need to keep on speeding it up.
Yeah, that'd be alright. I'm not.
Yeah, you got to have some. You got to have some. Yeah.
It's kind of touch them all.
You're okay.
Thank you.
You eat it. You gotta smack.
You got it.
I'm not missing any snacks. You can tell.
It makes the flavor like 10 times.
You're not even. You're at least. You're at least.
Ooh, delicioso.
At least 180. At least 180.
And then some.
Bro?
And then some.
You got a boyfriend?
Husband.
Oh,
You got a husband?
18 years.
18 years. Not bad, not bad. You got like a daughter?
Mm-hmm. She's 18.
I'm 18.
Are you?
She look as good as you?
Please. She's beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Put me on.
Mm-hmm. Not anymore.
Shoot, come on now. You can't down yourself like that. Always
I'm
stay up.
not dishonest.
Always stay up.
I am.
If anybody ever calls you ugly, then they're insecure about themselves.
Looks and everything anyway.
It's always about what's inside.
Nah, looks are everything.
Really?
Personality ain't nothing.
You? No. There's nothing wrong with you.
It's alright going through town.
Be nice.
I'll give you both 10.
Oh,
Nice looking. They are.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
So can I get $10?
But thanks for asking. Me?
You made that a
10?
20? $20?
20?
Yeah.
30?
See, I got a card, a Cash App card with about 28 cents on it.
20 cents. I'll take it. No.
What's your card?
Oh, they're like right now.
Right now? Nice meeting you.
See ya. Have a good day.
You too.
You rock, man. He did?
No, I'm good, thanks.
You lying. You want some?
What's up? I'm good.
You want some more, don't you?
No,
You do. You lying.
appreciate it.
That's a nice car. That look gooder than a mug. Literally. Ah! Hey! Cook up the crazy, right? Guard me. I'm unguardable. Something like that in the library. Hey, you want some, bro? No, man. I'm good. You want some? Leave me alone. Hey, you want some, bro? You want some?
Listen, seriously, if you want to play, go to the playground. This is a library. I'm trying to get some work done.
Right.
I appreciate your friendly offer,
Stop the madness, bro.
but
We don't come to the library to act like that. Sorry about that, dude. It's not a joke, man. Seriously. Stop doing that. Just bugging random people, bro. Don't be doing that, bro. Hey, bro, can I have some gummies? No, man. Leave me alone.
Dude, switch it out, dude.
Dude, I'm gonna
Dude, I'm not gonna say anymore, dude. Dude, piss off, man.
Y'all, you want me to get stupid here? Find somebody to play with. I'm 30 years old. I'm not no fucking child. I don't know y'all, so there's no reason for you to be communicating. I'm being dead ass. I'm fine shit funny. So sent you over there. I'm a real stupid ass bitch. I'm just asking you nicely before I get in. Who's that?
Oh shit! What is that?
The fuck? I'm saying the fuck I want to say, cause bitch, I'm fight. The fuck you think? I'm 40. Okay, I don't give a fuck how old you is. So let's go outside. Smart mouth. Fat mouth. Fuck wrong with you.
Talk to me.
Yeah, cause they came over here fucking with me. Don't fuck with me.
She like Mark low key.
I don't give a fuck who you think I am. I got somebody for you that'll tell your ass up though, so what's up?
Alright, we're chilling.
Yeah,
Call
you
me.
chilling, but you don't come
Call
over
me.
fucking with
Call
me.
me.
You don't know me.
Call me.
I'm sorry. I love you.
Somebody fucking with me.
We found you.
But you wanna go outside while you keep rapping? Cause matter of fact, you can call the police up here since y'all got a fucking.
Let me say something to you. You get up. You been up out this seat.
Grown ass lady. Think she finna. I really call my mama over her, man.
Doing the most.
For real, for no reason. You gonna come over and say nothing. Huh? Yeah, can you, like, you know, like, get back, can you, like, get back a little bit real quick? Like, just a little bit, please?
Sure.
Alright, thank you. Alright, what happened?
No, that's what I was asking you. What happened? This lady come out and she said she's calling the police.
Shit, I don't know.
Because there's other kids here.
Yeah, there's other kids. They was sitting
right here the whole time.
reading my book.
Was somebody messing?
Shit, I don't know. I ain't no
They
snitch.
sat down, they were eating. I don't know what they said.
Nope. I get a really bad anxiety when people get close to me.
When she got loud, they left, but she cussed us out like we were doing something. I was here the whole time.
Yeah, like my mama really not 6'2" and will really body
6'2"
slam.
powerful.
She really want body slammer on her neck though. Like I'm not worried about anybody.
And she said she threatened us. He's gonna get someone. It's okay. It's a part of being here.
She claimed she was looking for a job. I don't.
I'm 17. I already have a job.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I work.
You have a nice day.
I have my own car too, so. I don't know what the hell you trying to do.
I know I look good.
Okay, so what you gonna do about it?
I ain't gonna do shit about it. Hit me in my shit. I don't see you. I don't see you over here. What's up with it then? She ain't over here. Across the street.
She try to stop us.
You better not touch me.
You gonna stick her?
Content. Markaholics and my boy.
We gonna have to hurry up because the popo finna come for
AJ
real.
too smooth.
Hey, no, you said it wrong. AJ.
Too smooth. AJ too smooth. That's crazy though. I'm finna ask her what they would do.
Shit, I don't know. She thinks they be sent to me over there, some other shit, got out this and that.
Excuse me.
I don't got time to play with you. I asked them nicely to leave me the fuck alone. I'm 30 years old. Don't come playing games with me. It don't matter what you did.
What we did.
Chill, cause she's still
Who
going.
is we? Who is we? Did I say something?
What, me and him?
Did
Me
you
and
come
him.
sit next to me? Did you come sit next to me?
This ain't nothing to do with me.
If it, I ain't got a little nothing because I'm 30. All I did was ask them, hey, I'm not in the mood.
Yeah.
Move from around me.
I
I ain't no
understand.
child.
You got
I'm
stuff
not
to
no
do.
child. He got smart and said something. Did you come over there and sit next to me?
came over here talking.
I just thought
I
you.
ain't say shit to you. I was talking
turned
to
around.
I just wanted to know. I just wanted to know.
Respect your elders now. Respect
Yeah, I am.
They came messing with me. I came looking for a job. They came and sat right next to me.
She's saying they like me and you.
Not me.
No, I'm
I was
talking
just
about the
one
bitches that came.
Yeah,
Simple.
but I'm just saying, like,
It don't matter.
I
I
thought
don't owe
you-
nobody no explanation.
Yeah.
I don't owe nobody no explanation. I owe a bitch shit. I came up here to do my fucking assessment so I can go to fucking work.
I understand
that.
that.
Nobody don't fuck, feed, or finance me.
That
Or
makes-
put food in my mouth or feed my fucking four kids.
That
I don't
makes
play with
sense.
my kids. But when my boyfriend come here, he's well known in Winter Haven for knocking bitches out.
But anywho,
Fuck a bitch me.
I understand.
You know me, okay.
But I just wanted to say
alright.
that ain't got nothing to do with me. And
I ain't gonna
I
put you
didn't
in it, but
understand.
the bitches that just left, that was disrespectful.
That was disrespectful to me. That was disrespectful to me. That was disrespectful to me.
What?
I
And
just,
whoever else want to come at me sideways can get handled.
I just didn't know. Like, I thought you was talking to us.
No,
and
I wasn't
just,
talking. I just
yeah.
said leave me the fuck alone.
I
I mean that
understand.
because they went back there where y'all was sitting at. They put
Yeah.
one of them trying to be funny, bitch. You went around the other side of the table, got a chair, and come sit next to me. Bitch, do it like I want a motherfucking bitch.
I understand. Yeah. I
I
was
don't
just
find
saying.
shit funny about that. Like, bitch, leave me alone. If I ain't fucking with you, now what if I would have had my mates? Then what the fuck what?
Yeah.
Then what?
That would have
Because
been
I wouldn't
them.
have gave a fuck about going to jail. I done been to prison. You think I give a fuck about going to jail? I just told them little pussy ass niggas. What one of y'all square with me? Which one of y'all want to fight me?
I'm fine. I just wanted to clear that up. That
It ain't got
you
nothing.
know.
It ain't got nothing to do with you. And I apologize for even coming at you, but
It's
I ain't
okay.
apologizing to nobody else for being disrespectful to me, motherfucker.
And I'm sorry.
'Cause if you want respect, bitch, you gonna get respect. And I don't disrespect
Yes,
nobody
ma'am.
unless I'm disrespected.
I'm sorry for my friends bothering you. Shouldn't have came up here and messing with you. But I just wanted to let you know that that didn't have anything to do with us and what they did. We can't really control what they did. But
My
yeah,
boyfriend on his way.
that's all.
On his way. Like,
You
bitch,
go.
I didn't come up here for that. I came up here to do an application.
Yeah, you trying to
I
get
ain't
right.
come up here to bother nobody. I went straight there and I ain't look at y'all, I ain't say shit to y'all, nothing. I don't bother people.
I
Before you
understand.
feel like you entitled to just bother people, everybody, some people might wouldn't even say nothing. People would just let the shit keep going, but I'm not the type of bitch you gonna push over and you won't fuck with me because you ain't gonna fuck with me.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your profanity? Right, I'm sorry.
Well, I'ma leave. You have a nice rest of your day.
My nigga is very known for
So
knocking
y'all,
niggas out.
that nigga is very known for knocking niggas out.
Hey, but listen, dude. She preaching about how this and that. I don't need your cheap ass snack and this and that. And she talking about a motherfucker.
Ain't even got a job,
Come on,
bro.
now.
We could have gave you snacks for your kids.
For real, bitch.
You got 4 kids.
Save them goddamn 4 food snacks. 4 goddamn 4 gummies.
No ugly. Dude, her boyfriend is here. Alright, but yeah.
Hey man, it's your boy AJ Too Smooth. We out, baby. Markaholic, what's up?
Yeah. It's your boy Markaholic. Check me out. You feel me? Subscribe. Man. That's it.
I'ma fuck with you.
Oh yeah.